Hello, Assalamu alaikum student. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rubasha joined us today.
Yes,
Rubasha,
teacher.
after a long time you joined me, bete.
Teacher, there was a problem with our internet, and when it was raining, our light was actually
Okay, no
what is
problem, bete,
it?
I can understand. Okay. Fatma Mohsin,
Yes.
I want you to do recitation, my dear. Unmute yourself and do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim, subhanallah, bete. Okay, students. You know, I also don't have the electricity and internet, so where do I'm? You all can observe that where I'm standing right now. Can you guess where I'm standing right now?
छत पर.
Gee, bete. Just because of electricity and internet issue, now I'm standing over there. Okay. So,
छत पे भी नेट चल रहा है क्या? नेट की
gee,
डिवाइस
bete,
छत पे
because of the
भी है.
connectivity, now I'm connected through my mobile data, and inside the home, I'm not getting the service. So that's why I'm on roof. Okay, let's start the today's topic. More students are joining us.
आपने बैकग्राउंड लगाया हुआ.
No, beta, I'm standing right now. Because of connectivity, now I have to get complete links. In this manner, you can't get the voice of mine. Now, am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start the today's topic. Let more students join us. We will be starting the topic. Okay. Did you all practice review preposition? जी.
टीचर आपकी आवाज बहुत अटक रही है.
All are getting the voice, bete. Check your internet connection. Yusra, am I audible to you? Ji bete, am I audible to everyone? Show thumbs up sign. Zoom thumbs up, you have to show it to me. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now I'm starting the today's topic. First, I want Fatma Mohsin you to review the yesterday's topic. What we did, give a brief review about preposition, double compound, and single preposition. We did usage as well, how to use free preposition in sentences. So please, in this manner, Rebecca will get it. Continue, Fatma Mohsin. Speak up, dear. Unmute yourself. Fatma, unmute yourself, dear. Ji, speak up now.
Simple preposition preposition is a word that comes before a noun.
Very good.
And
How many kinds do we have?
three.
Okay, what are these?
Compound, compound preposition,
Okay,
simple,
very good, Fatma.
and
Yes, who will continue? Reja will tell more. Ji, Reja, speak up.
here there are simple preposition, double preposition, and compound preposition.
Okay, and what is the major function of preposition?
Here, preposition come before noun and pronoun.
Very good. Okay. Now, Abia, you tell what is the major function of simple preposition? Unmute yourself and speak up. Muhammad Danish, you tell, bete. Mohammad Danish, what is double preposition? More students are joining us. Ji Mohammad Danish, unmute yourself, bete. Umaira is also joining us. Abdullah Danish, bete, everyone please do take part in the class. I want everyone to speak up. Ji Sinan, do let me know what is a double preposition. What is the major function of double preposition?
The double preposition contains two words and it makes the double preposition.
Very good. Double preposition consists of two prepositions, my dear. Okay? When we combine two words, it creates compound preposition. Look at this different. In compound preposition, we join two words together, we conjoin it. Clear? But in double preposition, two prepositions are joined together. For example, into, outside, out and side. Okay? Into, both are preposition, in and to. They both are two different separate preposition as well. And they become combined as well. They become double preposition as well when we join them together. When we conjoin them. जब आप इनको जोड़ते हैं, it creates double preposition. Two words, when we join two words, it creates compound preposition. ठीक है? Now, Ji Rubesha, did you understand that? Did you understand, my dear? Ji Sinan, what is double preposition? Speak up. With example.
Double prepositions contain two prepositions. When it combines, it makes double preposition.
Very good. Now share the example.
For example, into, onto, outside,
Very
within.
Excellent job, Sinan. Now, Abdullah Danish, I want you to
Inside.
make sentences. Very good, Sinan. Excellent job. Abdullah Danish, you speak up, make sentence. Quickly, my dear, speak up, take part in the class, please. I want all the students to take part, please. But try to join the class on time. At 9 a.m. sharp, you all have to join the class. And after that, I'll be not admitting you. So be careful about the timings. If I am managing it, so you have to manage as well. You have to set each and everything before the class time. And sit at exact time in place. Ji bete. Danish, I want the sentence.
I like my new car, but I hate my old car.
This is conjunction, my dear. We are not doing conjunction right now. We are doing preposition. Rahim, speak up, bete. Rahim, share example, bete. Unmute yourself, speak up. Do take part in the class, please.
Teacher of preposition.
G. Share sentences.
This
Anaya, please open the video. All of you open the video. Otherwise, I am removing you. Ji, Rahim, continue it. Rahim, continue sharing the example, bete. Speak up. I think there is something wrong. Anaya, bete, speak up now. You take part in the class, please. Unmute yourself, bete. And share the example, please. Make sentences of into, onto, above, over, what we did in detail. Reja, Abhiya, Imran, you all should open the video, otherwise I'm removing you. Ji, Anaya, beta, I'm waiting for the sentence. Unmute yourself, Anaya, bete.
I am sitting on the chair. She is above me.
Okay.
And which was the third word?
Onto, into, outside, inside.
Outside. My friend is waiting for me. My friend is waiting outside for me.
Okay, that's great. Now onto.
Want to.
Okay, that's really great, Anaya. Think more about it. Now Humaira will be sharing it. Humaira, share it with him. Now Amsal is also joining us. I want all the students, please, bete, try to join the class on time. And the students who are not opening the video, I'm removing them. Zayan, please
The
open video.
canteen is out.
Very good.
The canteen is outside the school.
Very good.
मम्मी दो कौन से थे?
Above, over, onto, into. Down, behind. There are so many prepositions, my dear.
The class. The policeman sit on the chair.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now Yusra will be sharing. Yusra, share the practice of yours. Yes, Yusra, I want the practice, bete. Speak up. Yusra, you should take part in the class, please, bete.
guys, किस चीज की practice? मैं भी अभी आया हूँ.
Sentence of preposition.
Yes.
Make sentence of preposition onto, above, over, inside, through, behind. So many preposition we have. And we did the function as well. So please, I want everyone to take part in the class. Muhammad Danish, speak up, bete. You share it, she is thinking right now. Please, continue.
Yes, miss, I am thinking.
Quickly, bete, share in the class. Asghar, unmute yourself and speak up. Beta, I want everyone to take part in the class, please. Amsal, share sentences.
I am sitting on the chair.
Very good.
Put this thing inside the bag.
Very good.
The clothes are in the cupboard.
Excellent job, Amsal. Very good. Now more sentences, above and over. Okay, Fatma Mohsin wants to share. Yes, Fatma, speak up, bete. Unmute yourself and do share sentences. Fatma Mohsin, unmute yourself. Very good.
He climbed onto the building's roof. She is doing skydiving above the Palm Beach. The
Okay.
temperature is over 40 degrees.
Okay.
The cake is
Yes.
my clothes are in
के बारे में बना लिया.
a little baby is
Let
crawling.
Fatma speak up, please.
The little baby is crawling into the courtyard.
Very good.
She jumped into the trampoline.
Excellent. Now, bete, very good job, bete Fatma. Now, Muhammad Danish and Muhammad Danish, speak up. Do practice right now, quickly.
My books are in my bag. and he put his books in the bookshelf, and
Very good.
he
Now, Rubesha, did you understand the topic? We reviewed as well. Now, Rubesha, speak up. What is a preposition? How many kinds we studied? And share the example, please. What did you understand? Now, speak up.
Teacher,
G.
the prepositions are when two words combine, it make a preposition.
No, the major function of preposition is, why do we use preposition in sentence? Bete, ask Sinan, give a short review to her, please. Now, Rubesha, listen carefully. What is the major function of preposition? Ji, Sinan, bete.
the double preposition contain two words, two
No, what is the function of preposition
prepositions, and
only?
it combines.
Sinan, only preposition. What is the major function of preposition? What it does? Where do we place
Describes the
preposition?
relation. We place it before noun or pronoun. It describes the relationship between noun or pronoun.
Okay, very good. Now, Rubesha, you got it?
Yes, teacher.
Now, do let me know what is a preposition. Where do we place preposition in a sentence? You know, every sentence follow a structure. As I told you, we do have ingredients of sentences. Whenever we make recipe, na, we have ingredients. जब आप खाना पकाती हैं, you add something in that. खाली एक चीज से तो नहीं बनता ना. Same like that when we are creating sentence. जब आप sentence बनाते हैं, जुमला बनाते हैं, in that you need to follow the structure. You have to follow formula for that. Fine. So it's a part of the sentence. Preposition are also a part of sentence. We do use it in sentence. Okay? To make a complete, sensible, or meaningful sentence. Is that clear? And where do we place preposition before noun or pronoun? Yes, Rubesha, now I want you to please make me understand that. Jean.
Teacher, I'm not getting your voice.
Am I audible to everyone, Betty? Please show thumbs up sign to me. Rubesha,
Yes,
please, you
miss,
need
you are
more and more
audible.
practice. After a long time, you're joining, and tomorrow we are having a test. That's why we are reviewing this topic. So everyone get ready for tomorrow test, please. Tenses test I'll be taking. Asghar, share example, please. Unmute yourself. And you don't open the video as well. You know, it has the marks. Class participation has the marks. Unmute yourself and share examples.
Yes, miss.
Open the video. All of you open the video, please. Otherwise, I'm removing you.
मिस क्या बताना है?
Examples of preposition.
मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करके अपने नोट्स में दिखा दूंगा थोड़ी देर बाद. उसमें लिख रहा हूँ जब तक.
Beti, verbally, you have to speak up, Beti. Okay, Mohammed Danish, you share it now.
What, miss?
Speak sentences, please.
Yes, I have. मैंने कर लिया.
Speak up then. What you did? क्या कर लिया बेटे?
The game CDs are in cupboard.
Mohammed Danish, you have to speak slowly and clearly. Slowly and clearly. Every sentence, word should be clear, please.
My game CD are in cupboard.
Very good.
My books are in my bookshelf.
Okay. Frame sentence of on to, into, and above and over.
They climb above the tree.
Okay, very good.
He hide behind the wall.
Okay, that's really great, Mohammed Danish. Now, Shahraza, speak up. Unmute yourself and speak up. Do take part in the class and share examples, please.
Into,
Please speak up.
over, into.
With the frame sentences, now I'm not asking about what are the preposition. I'm asking share example right now. Would you mind to make a sentence of this?
Yes.
Sentence बेटे sentence जुमला बनाइए.
Are you enjoying Eid al-Adha?
You are enjoying Eid al-Adha. There is no preposition in the sentence. You are enjoying Eid al-Adha at your granny's house. Now I use preposition in the sentence. Clear? Okay. Abdullah Farhan, speak up. Abdullah Farhan, share sentences, please.
Teacher, I'm making sentence.
मिस मेरा नेट का मसला हो गया था.
Okay, no issue, bete. I admit you. Same problem I am also facing. I can understand, bete. Nowadays, everyone is facing this issue. Electricity and internet. Okay. Yes, now. Yusra, did you make sentence? Kindly share the practice. Yusra and Asghar, you know class participation has the marks. And you both are not taking part in the class. Okay. Reja, share more example.
Teacher of preposition.
Ji, bete.
He sit on the chair.
Very good.
There is some milk in the fridge.
Very good.
He drove over the bridge.
Okay, that's really great. Now, Zayan, bete, speak up, make sentences, please. Zayan, I want practice with him. Practice.
I go with my uncle to a park.
Okay, very good.
And I climb the tree.
You climb.
The tree.
Bete, where is the preposition? You climb onto the tree. You climb on the tree. Are you climbing? You have to use preposition in a sentence, my dear. Okay, Saqib, please do take part in the class. Unmute yourself, Saqib. Give a short review and summarize the whole topic, today's topic, please. Saqib, now your turn. Open the video, unmute yourself. Saqib, where are you right now? Hello? Mohammed Saqib. The students who are not taking part in the class, you know, they will not be getting a marks. So please practice with me. During the class time, you all have to speak up. You all have to take part. Okay, Saqib is not taking part. Asghar, speak up now. Asghar, now share sentences.
Preposition only.
Ji, bete. The whole topic we have only 7 minutes. The whole topic you have to sum up. What is a preposition, the major function? Do let me know how many kinds we have. Name the kinds and tell their function and examples quickly.
Teacher.
G. Quickly, bete Asghar. Asghar, speak up. Saqib and Asghar both, bete, why don't you take part in the class? Okay. Now, Sinan, come up. Come on, please. Summarize the whole topic, Sinan. Briefly summarize the whole topic. First, tell what is preposition, how many kinds we have, and which kind we did, their major function, and examples. Quickly.
Preposition comes before noun and it describes the relationship between noun or a pronoun. There are three kinds of preposition:
Okay.
simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition.
Very
Simple
good.
preposition. Simple preposition contain only one preposition. For example, in, on,
Very good.
above, over,
Very nice.
to. Double preposition. Double preposition contain two preposition and when it combine two prepositions, it makes double preposition.
Very good.
For example, into, onto, inside, outside, um, into, onto, above, inside,
Can you take
outside,
the words again?
within.
Very good. Excellent job. Now, yes, Asghar, do you wish to share now? Asghar, bete, all of you, please open the video of yours, please. Now, bete, we don't have only three kinds of preposition. We do have more kinds as well, like preposition, phrase as well, but we studied only three. There are
How
other
many
kinds as
words?
well, preposition of time as well, preposition of place as well, but we did only three: simple, compound, and double. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Do you wish to ask any question? Only 4 minutes are left. The class will over at 9:30. So please ask the question about the assignment or about anything if you wish to ask. Please ask the question. Ji, Abdul Danish, speak up, bete.
टीचर हमारे टेस्ट में जो कल होगा उसमें preposition आएंगे.
No, bete, tenses का test है आपका कल. Only tenses. Second test of tenses I'll be taking tomorrow. Preposition you can use in sentences. ठीक है ना? जो tenses आप create करेंगे, in that you can use as practice. ठीक है, dear? Now, Yusra, speak up. Yusra, you don't share a single sentence during the class time. Bete, please speak up. I really request all the students, if you have any problem, share with me. We have only 3 minutes. So kindly, bete, do take part in the class. Yes. Who wish to share? Fatma Mohsin, come on, speak up, bete. Okay, Sinan, Abia Imran of 6 Green, and Anaya and Rafe. I have given a task to you. Please do within 2-3 days. Fine. I'm waiting for that. Ji Fatma, speak up, bete, now.
मिस मैं आज आपको सेंड कर दूंगी.
Inshallah, beta, I'm waiting for it.
Okay.
Fatma, continue, my dear.
Miss, preposition is a word that comes before noun and pronoun.
That
And
comes
there are-
before, beta. Very good.
And there are three types of noun: compound, simple preposition, compound preposition, and double preposition.
Excellent job, my dear.
In simple preposition, we have short words, and in compound we combine 2 or 3 words, and in double we combine 2 simple prepositions.
Excellent job, my dear. Yes, anyone wish to ask any question related to topic? Please ask the question. And Asghar and Yusra, I'm very angry, bete. Okay. The class time ended now, bete. Yes, Abdullah Danish, you wish to add something? Mohammed Danish? Abdullah Farhan, you wish to speak up?
मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करके आपको दिखा मेरा नेट चली गया था
कोई बात नहीं बेटे, share the practice with me. You can WhatsApp the practice to me, please. Do practice on
Teacher,
daily basis. Okay, the time up, bete. You have to join the next class. I'm leaving right now. Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself, everyone. Allah Hafiz. The topic is clear to everyone, na, my dear?
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, my dear.
miss Allah Hafiz
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Enjoy.
Hafiz.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, dear.